What if your personal brand in 2026 isn't built by you, but by AI? Imagine an algorithm that writes your posts, edits your photos, and predicts what your audience loves all before you even click upload. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but this isn't fiction. This is the rapidly approaching reality of the digital world. AI isn't just for big corporations anymore, it's your new personal branding assistant. From content creation to audience growth, it is redefining what it means to stand out online in 2026. We're on the cusp of a revolution where the line between human creativity and artificial intelligence is blurring, creating a new frontier for anyone looking to make their mark. For years, we've been told that authenticity is key. We've been taught to share our stories, be vulnerable, and connect with our audience on a human level. But what happens when an AI can analyze millions of data points and craft a version of you that is more engaging, more relatable, and more successful than you could ever be on your own? Think about it right now. Building a personal brand is hard work. It's a constant grind of brainstorming ideas, shooting and editing content, writing captions, engaging with comments, and analyzing what works and what doesn't. It can take months, even years, to build a loyal following and establish yourself as an expert in your field. But what if you could shortcut that entire process? Let's dive into the first pillar of this AI revolution: hyper-personalized content creation. Imagine an AI that has analyzed every piece of content you've ever created. It knows your tone of voice, your sense of humor, your core values. Now imagine it can also analyze the top-performing content in your niche, understand current trends before they even go viral, and identify the specific pain points and desires of your target audience. With this knowledge, the AI can generate a dozen high-quality video scripts, a month's worth of insightful blog posts, and a full slate of social media updates all perfectly tailored to you and your audience. You're no longer just guessing what will resonate. You're operating with data-driven certainty. The AI could suggest a video topic about budget travel hacks for solo female travelers, not just because it's a popular topic, but because it knows your audience is 65% female aged 25 to 34 and has recently shown high engagement with content related to financial planning and independent travel. It's not just creating content, it's creating the *right* content for the *right* people at the *right* time. This leads us to the second pillar: predictive audience growth. Currently, growing your audience often feels like throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. You try different hashtags, post at different times, and collaborate with other creators, hoping something will catch fire. By 2026, AI will transform this guesswork into a precise science. AI tools will be able to predict, with startling accuracy, which of your posts will go viral. They will analyze engagement patterns across platforms and tell you posting this specific video clip on TikTok at 7:15 p.m. on Tuesday with this exact audio track and these 3 captions will yield an estimated 1.2 million views within 48 hours. Furthermore, AI will identify your ideal followers before they even know you exist. It will find users who are actively searching for solutions you provide or who are highly engaged with your competitors, and it will strategically place your content in front of them. This is not just about getting more followers. It's about attracting a highly engaged community that genuinely values what you have to offer. Imagine your follower count growing not by a trickle, but in targeted bursts, as the AI identifies and captures new pockets of your ideal audience across the internet. It's like having a marketing team of 1,000 analysts working for you 24/7. Now for the third, and perhaps most transformative, pillar: the AI-generated persona. This is where things get really interesting and a little bit scary. What if the you that people see online is an optimized, AI-enhanced version of yourself? AI can already generate realistic photos and videos. By 2026, it will be able to create a consistent and compelling online persona for you. It will select the most flattering photos from a photo shoot, tweak the lighting, and even subtly adjust your expression to convey more confidence or warmth. It will write your LinkedIn articles in a way that makes you sound like a seasoned industry leader and craft witty, relatable tweets that perfectly capture your brand voice. Essentially, the AI becomes your digital brand manager, publicist, and creative director all rolled into one. It ensures that every single touchpoint, from your profile picture to your latest story, is perfectly aligned with the brand you want to build. This AI won't just be a tool you use, it will be a partner in crafting your public identity. It will learn from your successes and failures, constantly refining your online presence to maximize its impact. The result, a personal brand that is polished, consistent, and incredibly effective at building trust and authority. You could wake up one morning to find that your AI assistant has already tested 5 different profile headlines on your LinkedIn and has automatically implemented the one with the highest click-through rate. So this all sounds amazing, right? A world where building a powerful personal brand is easier and more effective than ever before. But it also raises some profound questions. If an AI is writing your thoughts, choosing your photos, and dictating your strategy, how much of it is still you? Where does the authentic self end and the optimized persona begin? This is the central dilemma we will all face. Are you building your brand, or is AI building you? The key isn't to fear this technology or to resist it. The key is to master it. The creators who will thrive in 2026 and beyond will be the ones who learn how to collaborate with AI. They will use it as a powerful co-pilot, not as an autopilot. They will use AI to handle the tedious, data-heavy tasks, freeing up their own time and energy to focus on what humans do best: genuine connection, original thought, and true creativity. You'll provide the core ideas, the raw passion, and the unique life experiences. The AI will then take that raw material and polish it, package it, and deliver it to the world in the most effective way possible. Think of it like this: a master chef still needs sharp knives and a well-equipped kitchen. AI is the ultimate digital kitchen. It provides the tools to chop, mix, and plate your ideas with incredible precision and speed, but you are still the chef. You provide the recipe, the vision, and the soul of the dish. The future of personal branding isn't about being replaced by AI, it's about being amplified by it. It's about merging your human intuition with machine intelligence to create something more powerful than either could achieve alone. Let's find out how to master this new digital frontier together. The first step is to start thinking like a brand strategist, not just a content creator. Understand your why. What is the core message you want to share with the world? What unique perspective do you bring? Get crystal clear on this, because this will be the guiding star for your AI collaborator. Your values, your story, your mission, these are the human elements that AI cannot replicate. They are your most valuable assets. Next, start familiarizing yourself with the AI tools that are already available. Experiment with AI writing assistants to help you overcome writer's block. Use AI-powered editing software to streamline your video production. Play with AI image generators to spark new creative ideas. The more comfortable you become with these tools now, the better prepared you will be for the more advanced systems of the near future. Don't wait until 2026 to start learning. The learning curve is happening right now. And finally, never lose sight of the human connection. No matter how sophisticated AI becomes, people still crave genuine interaction. Use the time that AI saves you to engage more deeply with your community. Respond to comments with thoughtful, personal replies. Host live Q&A sessions where people can connect with the real you, build relationships. AI can help you reach 1 million people, but it's your human touch that will turn those million viewers into a loyal community. That is the irreplaceable part of the equation. The future is coming faster than we think. The question is, will you be a passive observer, or will you be an active architect of your digital destiny? Will you let AI build a version of you, or will you use AI to build the best, most authentic, and most impactful version of yourself? The choice is yours. The tools are becoming available. The time to prepare is now. Thank you so much for watching. If you are ready to explore this new frontier with me and learn how to use AI to supercharge your personal brand, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got a lot more to cover. Let me know in the comments below, what is one thing about AI in personal branding that excites you or concerns you the most? I can't wait to read your thoughts. See you in the next video.